Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today I have with me my Beachly Spring Box. This box is always full of amazing goodies inside, and especially if you're coming out of the winter and you're like, okay, I'm tired of the dark cloudy skies, it's been cold, I'm ready to get back to the sun and to have just a bright, happy, nice moment in your life. This is the box for you. I am so ready for winter to be over. So today we're gonna be unboxing my Beachly Spring 2024 subscription box. I'm gonna be showing you guys all of the items that I chose in my box. And we're gonna go ahead and dive into it. I also have discount codes for you guys as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started and check it all out. So if you're not familiar with the Beachly subscription box, this box is made for women, but they also offer a men's only box. So if you'd prefer to do one or the other, I have a link down below that will work for either subscription, plus my coupon codes will work on them as well. I always just go with the women's box because I just love this as a treat for myself. I've been getting this subscription for a couple of years now, and it's always beach inspired items. It's just sunshine in a box, basically. I mean, look, it even says hello sunshine inside when you open it up. How perfect is that? Now the spring box is shipping currently, so if you guys use my link to sign up, you will receive this same box as myself. However, you are able to customize this subscription. So you will be able to make choices based off of what you prefer. I'm gonna show you the choices that I went with, but again, if you don't love all of my choices, there are other ones to choose from. First item inside of my box is from Sandcloud, and this one is Save the Fishies. This is a beach towel that was offered, and I love this company because I actually used this at the beach last year when we went to Florida. It will get rid of sand much faster than other towels will, and it also dries faster than a lot of other towels at the same time. So we would have these on the beach, and then we'd be able to lift them and just kind of shake them out. That way you're not bringing sand back into your cart, and it works very well. But even if you want to use this and you're not going to the beach, maybe you're just using it at home by a pool, it will dry faster than other towels will. It's not as absorbent, but it's still going to work to dry you off, or if you want to lay out on it, whatever that may be. So this one is called Earth, is the color tone on it. And this is the pattern here when you pull it all the way open. I'm not going to be able to pull this out and show you guys all of it because it's very large. The sizing on this, where's it at? I know they listed it on here when I saw it online and I was like, man, this is huge. So it doesn't say here. It does state that this is 100% Turkish organic cotton. You can wash it in the washing machine if you'd like to, but don't bleach it. And they recommend that you air dry this to let it dry out. But it's just a cute design. I love the sun that's on here as well. And the fact that they work so well, you can wring them out and then they're dry in no time. I just knew this was an obvious choice. So I had to go with this for my box. Now, if you guys have seen my other Beachly boxes, I always tell you that the clothing items are the main reason why I buy this subscription box. Because they're good quality items, but they're also super cute. So of course, I had to go with some clothing options this time around for my spring box as well. So this is our bright tie-dye color. This can be customized to your size, and it is a giant t-shirt. This one, it says golden on it, and you can see the letters have all been piped here. It's just a bright oversized t-shirt, and I was like, yep, this is what I want. I love big oversized t-shirts, so this is 100% perfect for me. It is new with tags, and the brand name is called Post Surf. Now, when you go into customize, you can choose this t-shirt as your option, but then they also have two different colors available as well. The other one I think is like a coconut color. It was a little bit more neutral, but you know me, I had to go for color. I just had to go for the crazy. But this is super soft too. It's a short sleeve shirt. So honestly, I think this is gonna be great. And in terms of sizing, I feel like this is just the right size for me to be oversized. So I wouldn't size up. I would get your normal size that you usually get because it is designed to be a little bit bigger and a little bit baggier already. I feel like if you size up, you might be swimming in it. So I would just stick with your usual size. The next item that I chose for my box is the pineapple lip balm. I'm so excited to see this. The photo online looked so adorable and I was like, I have to do this one. I have to get a lip balm that looks like a pineapple. So the brand name is Zoe Isla. And like I said, it is a lip balm. It's a hydrating balm that is ultra nourishing. And it says that you can use it all throughout the day. But of course, it's gonna look so flippin' cute because it's a pineapple. Come on, is this not the best thing ever? I mean, talk about a gorgeous, cute little lip balm. And you get the whole pineapple. And then this just unscrews here. And then there's your lip balm. And it's a little egg. And you can just rub this on. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love these simple little things. They're my favorite. Now, I don't smell a scent to this at all. If there is a scent, I'm not getting it. This one, I 100% recommend. So if you guys are going through your customization choices and you get to the lip balm and you're not sure what to get, I do recommend this product. Next item that I chose for my box today is a Poolside cover-up. The brand name is Poolside Paradise, and it says it's made with aloha for the sun and the sea. I wonder if this is from Hawaii, if that's the brand name on it. I'm not sure. I mean, it kind of sounds like it. But this is what your cover-up will look like. Now, this is the size that is a medium and a large combo. And remember, swimsuit cover-ups are supposed to be baggier and kind of flow with you. So this is your print, and it is short sleeve. You do have a couple of ties around the middle here. That way you can cinch it in around your waist. And then it's just going to be all open on the sides. And you get a couple of tassels down here on the bottom of it. So this is cute though. I like that it's not too long, but I also feel like it's a really nice color. I like that it's a little girly, but it is lightweight. It's meant to be just a cover up for you as well. I think this is really cute. I feel like I could turn this into even like a romper of sorts. You know what I mean? Like if you tighten it in around your waist and wear like a tank top and jeans underneath, I feel like you might be able to wear this even outside of the pool. I also went with the sunscreen for my box. So this was again a choice product. SPF 30, it's from Sandcloud, the same company that made the beach towel. It's 3 ounces and it is fragrance free. And it is a full-size product as well. I love that it's the mineral sunscreen. That's just what I prefer. So I was like, yeah, we'll go ahead and try this one. It's water resistant up to 40 minutes. So I do think, you know, it's a sunscreen. I will use it. It's not the most exciting thing ever in my box, but I do feel like it's a decent product. Last item that I have in my box today is a bracelet. This is from Lotus and Luna. Oh, no, it's an anklet. Even better. So this is an ankle bracelet. But again, it's all handmade by a small business owner. So this is the featured brand that Beachly is sponsoring inside of their box this season, is this anklet from them. So if you want to visit their website, they do have all of their information on the back as well, and you can go check them out. I love that this is also adjustable. They give you a little extra string even if you need to make it larger for your ankles at all, or smaller. Maybe if you want to tighten it up, you could do that too. But I do think it's a pretty color, and honestly, it's going to be great for spring, summer with a pair of flip-flops. I don't know. I just think they nailed this box, you guys. Like, I am so ready for warmer weather and to wear these cute clothes that this box just nailed it for me. So that is everything inside of my Beachly spring box. If you guys would like to try Beachly out, I do have a $30 off coupon code down below in my video description. That way you can save a little bit of money. But I think this was 100% worth it. It is great through and through. I will use every single product in this box. So comment down below, let me know, what do you guys think? And truthfully, if you're wanting other options, they have so many other items in their choice categories as well. So like I said, if you don't love all of mine, maybe you want different colors, you want to do a different item, they've got you covered because you can customize your entire box. I'm just so happy though. Like there's nothing about this that I would change. And I got a pineapple lip balm. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.